What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mission Funpossible. Today, we're going to take you for a quick little tour of the South Amboy Food Truck Festival. Now, the Food Truck Festival itself actually only had 5 food trucks. However, it was still a really awesome event. We had a really good time. Here, you're actually looking at a stage that was made out of 2 tractor trailers. These guys backed up these 2 trucks, turned it into a stage, and later put on a concert. It was really good music, and they performed really well. We did have some vendors selling other items. You had this guy here selling football jerseys. He actually gave me a deal on one, so I ended up picking up a new Lawrence Taylor jersey. Let's go Giants. As far as the food trucks go, as you notice, there's 2 here. We had the Polish food guy. That was the hot dog guy. The Polish platter was actually pretty good. It included some Polish favorites, kibasi, pierogies, that kind of stuff. You had other vendors that were selling some crafts that they made themselves. So there was bracelets and headbands and those sort of things. So it kind of broke it up where you got to do a couple of things and while tasting a couple different things. There's the axe throwing. It was pretty cool. It's just like when you go to any of the axe throwing spots. Got the beer garden here. A lot of people partook in that. It is only for adults, so if you do, oh no, I lied. There were some other food options. You see there we had cheesesteaks and your sausage, Italian things. Our favorite was probably the soul food truck. They had pulled pork, ribs, chicken wings, collard greens, a lot of the soul food favorites. Again, most of the trucks did offer deals, so we get like a package deal, usually anywhere between $15 and $20. Our favorite part was probably here at the petting zoo. Now, as you see me right there, we were on call with the EMS squad, so they let us go into this area for free to pet the animals and give them some food. It was a really small fee. I want to say it was like $2 and you got a big cup of food to give the animals. They're all very friendly. You had the goats. There's a cow. Like a normal petting zoo. All in all, it was a fun day. Take the family out. There are things to do for everyone. It's not just like an adult event. It's not just a kids event. It's there's a little bit for everyone. And oh, there's Laura. Hi, Laura. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.